Well, there's some big Florida cases heading to state and federal courts in 2024. From abortion rights to Disney's legal battle with Governor Ron DeSantis, there are many legal issues that we're going to have to watch for in this new year. West News' Paola Tristan Arruda is live in studio tonight with a breakdown on what we can expect. Paola?
Yeah, Luana, one of the most anticipated cases is about abortion. With next year's election, there could be an amendment to protect abortion rights on the November ballot. If passed, it would allow abortions to remain legal until the fetus is viable. Abortion rights groups say they are close to getting the signatures they need, but Attorney General Ashley Moody is asking the Florida Supreme Court to block it from the ballot.
If the Florida Supreme Court says, yes, this is a single subject and it's clear, then it can get on the ballot. And ultimately, Florida voters will have a say about whether or not abortion is legal in Florida. If the Florida Supreme Court says, nope, it violates the single subject amendment, or as the Florida Attorney General has argued that it's confusing, then they can stop it from going on the ballot.
A law Governor Ron DeSantis approved last year banning abortions after 15 weeks is also being challenged. If the courts uphold the law, it could clear the way for a 6-week abortion limit signed into law this year. Another case to watch, the ongoing feud between Disney and the governor.
You've got these dueling lawsuits, one at the federal level, which Disney filed arguing that they're being punished for speaking out, and then one at the state level where the new tourism district board is saying, hey, Disney was trying to pull a fast one there at the very end and escape oversight. And so now we need you, state court, to say they can't do that.
Other cases we're watching include Florida State University's lawsuit against the ACC over the contract binding the school to the league for the next 12 years. The Florida Supreme Court will hear a challenge to a gambling deal between the state and the Seminole tribe. The state's highest court is also expected to look into the constitutionality of a congressional redistricting plan ahead of the 2024 elections. Back to you.
All right.